Well, hello friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to talk with you a little bit about being efficient while cleaning. Alright folks, so there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done in the shop and on the farm and wherever you're working with your hands. So I was sent a cleaner from Super Clean. I have never used this product before, but I think it may help us quite a bit. So we are going to test it and see how it does. Right here, I just have a wet paper towel. We're gonna see how it works on our wall. That gets covered in all sorts of stuff. It gets covered in grinding debris, and it also gets a lot of exhaust blown on it from the welding area. So we're gonna take water, and it looks like it does okay. We're gonna see what Super Clean does instead of just water. Squirt the Super Clean. Wow, okay. So it works quite a bit better than water. It's hard to see, I know, from back there. But here we use the water, and it took off some of that dust. Here we use a Super Clean, and it took off, this was a line that went over here, and the water didn't take it off, but the Super Clean did. So, I'm gonna keep using it, and then I'm gonna come back and see what I think about it, and see if I think it's worth the money in purchasing some Super Clean. Stay tuned. Probably can't see from there, but the nastiness is just running off it. I'd say it does a pretty good job on that. We'll go ahead and try it on something else. It says it dissolves grease super easy and super fast. So we're gonna try it on some greasy stuff. Head over. Okay, so one of the greasiest machines in our whole shop right now is probably our mill. And it gets greasy down here. You can kind of see, kind of nasty. So, I'm gonna try it on this, clean it real good, see how it works, see what this Super Clean does with all this old oil and grease on it. Here we go. So I gotta say, friends, you saw how it cleaned. It does a pretty decent job. This stuff is pretty greasy before, and now it is not. It does a really good job. I would recommend Super Clean. It has done a pretty good job so far. I haven't cleaned a lot of things with it, but that is what will happen in the future. This will be implemented in our weekly cleaning, and yeah, folks, I'd recommend it. And if you want to pick some up, put down in the comments what you think of it, and also you could put down there what other uses you found for it. Go ahead and leave that in the comments. But hey, remember to work hard, because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.